Get better pictures faster with Fooocus, a reimagination of Midjourney and Stable Diffusion's designs. It acts as a free image generation tool, similar to automatic 1111 and 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤. However, what sets it apart is its exceptional user-friendliness and enjoyable experience, requiring no technical skills. First, I will quickly show you how to use it in Google Colab. Then I will guide you step by step through the installation process on your computer. Finally, I will cover the advanced settings and image prompts, which allow you to generate images in various styles, like a pro. So let's get started. Open this Google Colab page via the link in the description and sign in with your Google account. Then connect to your GPU by clicking the button in the top right corner. Next, hit the play icon and select Run Anyway when prompted. Upon completion, you will get a Gradio link labeled Running on Public URL. Click this link to access the graphical interface. To generate an image, input a prompt into the designated box. For example, I will enter Masterpiece, Best Quality, Girl, Collarbone, Wavy Hair, Looking at Viewer, Blurry Foreground, Upper Body, Necklace, Contemporary, Plain Pants, Intricate, Print, Pattern, Ponytail, Freckles, Red Hair, Dappled Sunlight, Smile, Happy, Hyper-detailed photography, Realistic. Then, click the Generate button and the processing will commence. Once it's completed, you will receive high-quality, ultra-realistic images. Now, before diving deeper into the more advanced features, let's take a moment to learn how to install Fooocus locally on your computer. So visit the Fooocus GitHub repository by simply clicking the link provided in the description. Once you are there, scroll down until you come across the Download section, designed specifically for Windows computers. Keep in mind that for proper functionality, a graphics card will be required. Click on the download link and it will begin fetching a file of about 1.8 GB to your computer. After the download finishes, simply right-click on the file and select Extract. Once done, you will find a folder of about 5.5 GB. In the folder, you will find 3 batch files, each representing different model presets you can run. These presets include Realistic, Anime, and the default Juggernaut model. If you choose the realistic version, simply double-click on it to start downloading all the pre-made assets necessary for this model. Keep in mind that during your first run, it will need to download all the necessary files for the model you have chosen. This will be a one-time download of about 6.5 GB. Once the download is complete, the graphical user interface will load, confirming that Fooocus has been successfully installed on your computer. So, let's input a prompt: a cat under the snow with blue eyes, covered by snow, cinematic style, medium shot, professional photo, animal, hyper-detailed photography, realistic. Then click on Generate. And it started generating images out of the box, without changing any settings. If you look closer, you can see that it is taking 30 steps, as Fooocus uses the speed settings by default. I will come to that in just a moment. Now, if you need different sizes for your images, want to use different models, or prefer to change the styles, and want to use LoRa's, simply click on the Advanced Options box. This will reveal a panel on the right-hand side of the screen. With the first option, you can switch between different image presets. And when you select one for the first time, it will download the model and assets for that style, and then will automatically change the settings in the Models and Styles tab to match the selected preset. Next, with the Performance buttons, you can choose the number of steps for image generation. The Speed option has 30 steps, while Quality has 60 steps. If you choose Extreme Speed, it only offers 8 steps. However, this setting sacrifices a lot of quality, especially noticeable in the details like the mouth, eyes, and hair. The last one, Lightning, consists of just 4 steps. If you are using a lower-end graphics card, it's recommended to keep the number of images low, though you can generate up to 32 images in one go. Just above that, you can choose the aspect ratio. However, if you want to exceed 1024 by 1024 resolution, then make sure you have sufficient VRAM in your GPU. You also have the option to select an output format from among PNG, JPEG, and WebP. Then you can include a negative prompt for elements you don't want in your image. And if you uncheck this random checkbox, you can enter a seed number for generating similar images. Now, even though Fooocus uses Stable Diffusion on the back end, it greatly simplifies the process. By clicking on the Styles tab, you can easily select your preferred styles for your images by simply ticking the corresponding boxes. There are over 200 styles available for you to experiment with. In the Model tab, you can choose the base model. If you clicked on the run.bat file, then Stable Diffusion's 𝐬𝐴𝐺 model will be selected. You will also notice the refiner option, but the XL models don't require a refiner. And if you are using Colab, this option will be disabled. Just below that, you can set up one or multiple LoRa's and define their weight. Next, the Advanced tab has the settings for the guidance scale that determines the strength of your prompts. And image sharpness influences the softness and hardness of the images. Now, let's go back and enter a prompt. For example, I will input close-up portrait of beautiful young gypsy woman, dynamic with emphasis on color, red, blue, and yellow. Colorful makeup, powerful presence, multi-layered textured fabrics, vibrant colors, collage art and photography, detailed skin, captivating eyes, raw photo, shot with Hasselblad, long exposure, shallow depth of field. Then change the number of images to 2 and go to the Style tab. And select Focus Masterpiece and Focus Photography. Then, click on Generate. And here are the results. Now, let's generate using a different prompt style. I will enter this prompt. Impasto oil painting of Marilyn Monroe, heavy strokes, textured, by 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤, Greg Tokiny, Hajime Sorayama, Jeremy Mann, Kung Griffiths, Robert Oxley, stunning digital illustration, elegant, calm, mysterious, digital painting, expressionism style, very intricate, unforgettable. I will stick with the default style before clicking Generate. This way you may adjust the style with your prompts and even reference artists to generate their styles. I used the default 𝐬𝐴𝐺 model to create these images. So, experiment with various image styles to create stunning masterpieces suitable for social media posts or even for selling online. Believe me, it's incredibly easy and consistently delivers impressive results. Overall, it's an amazing tool for all your image requirements and it's completely free. You should definitely give it a try. Thank you for staying until the end. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and maybe even subscribe.